Hello, what's up guys, how are you doing? Welcome. So guys, I wanna let you know first highlights of this laptop. So in this laptop, it's come with 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD, and it's come with Windows 10 operating system, and it also has NVIDIA GeForce 1650 4GB graphic card. This laptop comes with HD webcam, so you can record videos and you can do stream with that. You will get 15.6 inch display. So overall this laptop has a 2.4 kg weight, so it's not that much heavy, but it's heavy, and it's easily fit into bag. So left side of this laptop you will get power port and USB port. So another side, right side of this laptop, you will get HDMI port, USB port and Ethernet port and C port. headset jack port and micro SD card reader slot. You can also control keyboard lights by pressing function key plus F5 key. So bottom of this laptop, as you can see, they provide really nice fan cooling system. So that's pretty cool. It will help you to get your laptop cool down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have also gaming channel. If you guys like, you can sub that too. I provide link in the description, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.